You sound like almost it.
Time for the hot topics, folks. You take my video.
If you strut walk out, you must strut back in. Guys, in a hot topic, that's not really a hot topic. It's raining outside.
I just run out. It is pouring, and I didn't know that.
Wow.
Yep.
Well, we're grateful for it, God, trust me.
Yep.
It's been very warm these last
What's the
couple of
first one?
days. All right, so COVID cleanup under scrutiny. The Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, the PAAC, has called on the Integrity Commission to look into or to investigate a $46 million contract awarded to Rahim Cleaning and Trucking Limited to carry out cleaning and sanitizing works at 8 locations in Ocho Rios, St. Anne. Eyebrows, they say, were raised yesterday during a meeting of the committee at Gordon House when it was revealed that it cost more than $9 million to sanitize and clean handrails, gates, doors, gate handles, and door handles at the Ocho Rios Pier. At a previous sitting, the PAAC had queried why St. Anne alone was singled out when other municipalities in tourist areas received no funding for similar exercises. Wickham McNeil, he's the committee chairman, asked the deputy CEO of the St. Anne Municipal Corporation, Xavier Monroe, if the costs that were being revealed rang any bells in his mind for cleaning and sanitizing, particularly one for $7.5 million at the Island Village complex. The deputy CEO insisted that the municipality had calculated the cost of the chemical and the estimated sum for various aspects of the contract. But I don't know if they got a clear outline of how the money was actually